Once the jeera or cumin seeds flutter, I have added 1 onion to them, and I'll saute it for a while. So on one side I have my onions that are sauteing with the jeera, and I'm going to make them slight golden before I add a teaspoon of ginger and garlic. Now on the other pan I have a teaspoon, literally a teaspoon of oil and some chicken. And the reason why I'm sauteing them separately, I'm cooking the chicken and the onions separately, is so that the chicken does not release its moisture and spoil the crunchiness of the onions. So I'll be cooking the chicken on one side and the onions on the other. Add a cup of water to the chicken so that it doesn't stick to the base of my pan. So I'll just cook down this chicken and add some spices to it, and then bring the onions, ginger and garlic together. I've added a teaspoon of ginger and garlic to this mix. To the chicken I added a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Sorry, cumin powder. On the other hand, we have our onion, ginger and garlic sauteing here. I'll add some green chilies to it. I added 2 green chilies to this mixture. And I am sauteing it on low heat. On the other side, I'll start adding some dry spices to my chicken. To the chicken mixture, I added a teaspoonful of cumin powder and almost a tablespoonful of coriander powder, because I like coriander powder. Now check your spices at this point, and I added a teaspoon of amchur, and then I'll start adding back the onion mixture. What the sauteed onion, ginger and garlic mixture looks like with the green chilies, I'm going to add it back to the chicken. At this point I will check my seasoning, and I'm adding some crushed red pepper flakes. These ones, just a few. And then I'll add some salt and see if I need to add more amchur. So to this keema I've just added like about a teaspoon of lemon juice, again to taste. You might want to add more if you need to. I did add half a teaspoon of red crushed pepper, and I added salt to my taste. And then I'll cook it through quickly and then cool it down. So I'm turning the heat on to incorporate everything. I ended up adding a lot more lemon juice. Like I added 1 teaspoon of lemon juice more, and I adjusted my red pepper flakes and my salt. And now I'm going to garnish it with some coriander, and you can use this filling for a keema chapati once it cools down, or you can use this for samosa. So I've added my cilantro, and now I've turned off the heat, and I'll let it cool down before I can use it for keema chapati. What my keema filling looks like, I'm waiting for it to cool down before I can use it for either keema chapati, chicken keema chapati, or to use it for samosa.